wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best car dusters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Kitchen and Home Compact is a convenient little companion to have around for light-duty jobs, whether it's clearing dust from a GPS screen or sweeping out a cup holder, and it fits neatly into any glove box or center console. It's good for computers as well, and includes a retractable protective cover. However, the bristles bend out of shape easily. At number 9, the Senhai Mini are ideal for perfectionists who like to detail their cars themselves. Their stiff brush ends help loosen crumbs and dirt from all the nooks and crannies, while the layered cloth sides will clean out dusty vents with a few quick swipes. The cloths pop off for washing, and these work well on blinds and shutters too, but the brush ends don't trap dust. Coming in at number 8 in our list, a versatile tool that's appropriate for both auto detailing and use around the house. The J&A lambswool has a flexible head that's good for getting into hard-to-reach areas, and it contains natural lanolin that traps and holds onto small particles effectively. It's easy to shake out and great for pet hair. However, it's not as good as microfiber. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car dusters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the convenient Moon River Super Soft can be slipped into the storage pocket on your door, and boasts wax-treated strands that reduce static and capture dust particles. While it's safe for the exterior finish, it's so small it would take forever to clean the whole car. It's bacteria and mildew resistant and disassembles for cleaning, but the brush head is not replaceable. Moving up our list to number 6. The compact Prestige AutoCare Ultra is large enough to clean your dashboard in one quick sweep, but small enough to be stored in most glove compartments, so you can always have it on hand. The microfiber head can be removed and machine washed. It comes with a soft, easy grip handle, and no water or chemicals are needed. However, it is too big for detail work. Halfway up our list at number 5, the OXO Good Grips microfiber features the classic ergonomic, non-slip handle the company is known for. The long head is thin and flexible for easy maneuvering in and around tight curves and spaces. It does wear out quickly though, but inexpensive replacement heads are available. It comes in at a budget-friendly price with a hole for hanging, but it tends to shed fibers. At number 4, the takavu Multifunctional has a sturdy telescoping handle that expands to an impressive 32 inches for cleaning at an angle, and comes with a handy bag for storage. Its wide head picks up plenty of debris in one pass, which means you'll get more done in less time. It's great for boats and RVs too, and suitable for windshields. It's also effective on wood furniture. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the durable Relentless Drive Ultimate boasts an unbreakable steel handle that extends over 28 inches to help you clean hard-to-reach areas. The large electrostatic microfiber head picks up dust and all that annoying springtime pollen without leaving behind any lint. It can help you save money by needing fewer car washes, and locks into place when extended. It's ideal for large vehicles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car dusters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, although they can only go as far as you can reach, the Eurow Terry Weave mitts are nevertheless great for quickly swiping away particles from any surface. They can be used wet to clean or dry to dust, and they won't leave scratches, swirls or streaks in their wake. These last for a long time and can be machine washed and dried. They're solid value for the money. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the California Car Duster Detailing Kit combines the original classic model with a smaller one for use inside the car. Both feature 100% cotton mop heads that are treated with paraffin wax to lift dust on the first pass without scratching your car's finish. These come with a storage bag and work best on cool, dry surfaces. They never need washing. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for car dusters, or simply click beneath this video.